So help me, please, someone come quick. I think I'm losing it. Forgive me, I inherited this. Stranger I'll never miss. I'm sick. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. This is how to play Family Tradition by Senses Fail. Okay, so that's the guitar lesson tutorial, whatever you want to call it. This is a song that was requested, so if you guys have a request, please let me know in the comments section. I'll be more than happy to get to it if I can. So this song, most of the time, Senses Fail stuff is in drop D. This is actually a song that's in standard tuning. And also Deathbed that we just did was also in standard tuning. So pretty cool. You don't need a capo on here. This song is not crazy difficult to play, and most of Senses Fail stuff is not super difficult. But they do make easy stuff sound hard, is the way one of my buddies said it years ago. So, all right, let's get into it. So for this song, you're just going to use like a handful of chords. So you're going to use G, not in this order, by the way. G, F, E minor, sorry, E. You can use E minor as well. A minor, D suspended 2, so it's the same as D, but you're just not going to use your middle finger. That sounded really weird. It's because I was playing it wrong. Okay, like that. And then you're also going to do C. Okay, so now let me show you. So the chords you're going to play the most, you're going to play C, A minor, and F. I'm going to show you the chord progressions. I'm going to show you the strumming patterns for the intro, the verses, the chorus, and the bridge. So stick with me all the way through, because when we get to the bridge, that part's different. So the way that the song starts is you're going to do C, A minor, F. Okay? Now you could, I think if you're like, it wouldn't sound as good, but you could throw out the F because it's a little bit harder to get in here. But you're going to be doing, so down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. This is all just on C right here. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, mute like that. Now, if you want to, and that's just for the beginning part where they do it and then they stop and then they go into it again. So that's just C, and it's just down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, then, so what you're going to do is another thing you can do is you can lift your fingers off a little bit so they're not pushing down, they're just touching it. So you can go that if you want to. You can throw that in there. You don't have to, but you can. So I'm showing you how to play this for beginners. So you'll do C, and then you're going to do A minor, F, C. So the F you don't stay on very long, okay? And you'll want to listen to that like while you'll want to try and play that while you're listening to it as well, because that does help. The timing of that's kind of hard, okay? So that, and you're going to do that twice. So the C, A minor, F, C, A minor, F. Okay, so the second time you do it, you're gonna go right to C afterward. F, C, and you're just gonna let it ring out. Okay, and that's I tried to be the one that everybody loved. Okay, so you can just let that C ring out, or you can even just do the down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, just like that. But I would do it softly if you want to do that while you're playing that C. I tried to be the one that everybody loved. And then you're going to go to A minor, F. So it's the same chord progression so far, okay? Where has that gotten me? So you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Now if that part's hard to do the down, down, up, down, up, down, okay, you could even just do I tried to be. You could just do straight down, up, down, up. I tried to be the one that everybody loved. And then you're going to A minor on where, right before where. Where has that gotten? Okay, so gotten is F. Gotten me. Okay, and then you're going to go C right before I. I tear myself to shreds to prove that I'm someone. And then you're going to go louder again when you do the A minor every time in the verses. That I could never be. Okay, then here you do the D suspended second. I like to play it like this. It's just easier for me, but if you want to play it like that, do whatever's easy for you, okay? So you do D suspended 2, you're going to do on now. And you could even just do a single strum. Now these unsightly marks. So marks is E. Sorry, I feel like I can't sing that part well. Marks define me. So you could do marks, define, and you lift off your pointer finger and just do E minor. Marks define me. Okay. I actually think it sounds better if you just do E and let it ring out. And then you're going to do, so for the chorus, the chord progression changes. Now you're going to do A minor, F, C, G. Okay, so you do A minor, F, C, G. And so it's going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And you can do the same thing. You can just do straight down, up if you want to. If it's like harder for you. All right, so you're going to do, so help is A minor. Help me, please, someone is F. Someone come quick. I think is C. Think I am losing it. So losing it is where you can do G. Forgive is A minor. Forgive me, I inherit is where you do F. Inherited this from a stranger is C. Stranger I'll never miss. When you do miss, you're just going to do G. All right, so stranger is C, miss is G, but you're just going to do a single strum there and let it ring out. Miss, I'm sick. Then you go to the intro part again where you use C, A minor, F, okay? Then you do the same thing. The second verse is the same as the first one. Second chorus is the same. But after the second chorus, okay, that's where you're going to go to the bridge. So after when you do From a Stranger I'll Never Miss, and in this part you're just going to keep doing that strumming. You're going to do, okay, then you're going to go to F. Here is my own family. So F is here, and then family is G. Family tradition, F. So you're doing F, G, F, G. Following footsteps. Okay, footsteps into is where you can do G. Into addiction. So is there is where you can do A minor. There, away. Way is going to be C. Way. That I. Okay, so that I is A minor. I can't find peace when still numbing is C. Numbing my pain. Is this. So is this is A minor. Is this my fate? So fate is C. Fate. Because your is F. Now you could just do single strums here. Your only son still can't is G. Can't seem to find his way. And then right in way you're gonna go into the chorus. Way, help me, please, someone come quick. Down, 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 down. Okay, so that's how you play the whole song. All right. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And yeah, see me next time.